Hello traders, I just want to show you that I'm looking at a stock over here, Xerox. I did the fundamentals. The fundamentals are not impressive, but it looks okay. It looks like it may wanna rise a little bit. We may see some upward action on it. As you can see here, I'm gonna zoom in. As you can see here in this level, it's already touched this line, which is resistance, all the way back to '08 and almost, 2008. This is the best example over here. This is a weekly chart, by the way, but I just wanted to point that out. Xerox came up on my radar as being a good stock. But you know what? Here's a perfect example. Look what happens. If you would know, you see this line over here. You see this line. This is a line that was formed some time ago. Let me just zoom out over here. Yeah, it's, how can I go back? Okay. You see this? This is 2003. You see how this stock touched this line? You see over here? You see how significant trend lines are? Just want to close up a little bit so you can see trend lines are so important in this business because people follow them. That's why they're important, because people believe in them, and enough people believe in them and throw their money at them, they become very significant. So it's important to follow your trend line, follow your rules. And look what happened. Had you purchased here at the trend line, you would have lost money. You would have gone from $9 over to $7. Had you purchased when it pierced the trend line, you would have been at 9. Right now, you would have been at $11, $2 gain, which is excellent, especially on a cheap stock like this for people that don't have a lot of funds. This is an excellent little stock to buy at. I don't generally like to trade stocks that are under $20, $15, but you know what? Every once in a while, one of them pops up on my radar. So Xerox, I'm looking into Xerox. I have not made the decision of whether I'm gonna go, but if I would go, I would go after $12, and I'd expect it to hit 1301. The thing I'm battling right now is that the risk is too high. The risk is going to be, about $1 and let's see, 12, $2.70, $2.78. So my reward has to be all the way up here. I look for 2-to-1 risk reward, 3-to-1, 5-to-1. I'm not here to lose money, people. I'm here to make profit and get out. So I have to study further into this. I just wanted to show you that I'm looking at the stock and what's going through my mind. Hello traders, another stock that went into my radar is HGG. The problem with the stock is that it looks to be a little overextended over here at 2970. And check this out. Look at the weekly chart. Look at the monthly chart, and you'll see that it's never been this high in its history. So I try to stay away from stocks like this because you just don't know what's going to happen. But the fundamentals are so great. I mean, this stock, I did a little bit of research on it, and it looks really, really, really excellent. And look at this formation here. Cup and handle. Um, you have all kinds of shapes. This could be a head and shoulders here. I mean, this can be a really, really good trade to get into. Um, and it looks very strong. It's just overextended. It appears overextended. So, I mean, there's two ways to look at this. Maybe you wanna wait till it comes back to 2780, or maybe you wanna get into it now. I mean, or you wanna wait till it goes above 3061. I mean, whichever way to look at it, this is a very strong stock. But I'm not getting into these positions yet. I'm just showing you how I'm doing them. I already did the fundamental work, the boring work, the boring part. Right now, I'm just watching. I'm just trying to see what's going on. You know what? I'm gonna draw a ray down here, just to show you a little trend line formation down here. As you can see, boom, right here. You see trend line. Trend line. I guess, broke out of this. Uh, okay, so stochastics will prove this. Okay, stochastics. Okay. Doing a little stochastics work here as I'm trying to pick the stock. You know what? It looks strong. It looks really strong. So I think I'm gonna wait up until it goes to 28.72. Before I buy it. It looks a little overextended for me. So this is the daily. I trade on the daily chart, not the weekly chart. See what the weekly one says. Yeah, weekly one. Yeah, weekly one. It's confirming. If I draw a line down here, it'll get close to confirming that this is a really solid trend line. So, you know, this is another one I'm considering, and I just wanted to bring it up to you. All right, the last one on my list is chrw, and I'm gonna draw a horizontal line over here, right around this level here, and you can see that this is hitting this line. It doesn't appear to have pierced this line, but it's hitting it. It's being good about touching this line, is respecting the line, as I like to say. Okay, here's more consolidation for you. This is really fun. It's a really fun job. If you you can draw lines all day over here, but these lines are significant, though. These lines are very significant. You should pay attention to them. I'm sure if I go back in the history of the stock, they've been significant at one point or another. As you can see, look at this line. Look back in 2008. Back in 2008, back in 2007, it was important. And I'm sure if I go back, I can find more examples. But I want to keep these videos brief. But anyways, I trade on the daily chart. The stock looks like it hasn't been strong enough to penetrate 62. So what I'm gonna do, the CHRW, the fundamentals in CHRW are not very impressive in my opinion. So I'll wait until it penetrates 62. I'll probably go in, and I haven't made the decision yet. I'm just presenting the stocks to you. I'll tell you when I make my decision. I'll come back and I'll let you know, because it takes me a while to make the decisions to enter a position or not. So these are the stocks that I'm looking into: CHRW, HGG, XRX. Don't jump into them. Do your own research. Don't piggyback on my trades. Consult a financial expert, advisor, a licensed professional, whatever you want to call them. But don't piggyback. I mean, don't even piggyback financial professionals. Most of them don't know what they're doing, and the other half have different styles than you. They have different tolerances, risk tolerances than you have, and they have different styles. You cannot trade my style. I cannot trade your style, but I can show you what I'm doing, and you can educate yourself. You can take what I give you and run with it. I'm gonna show you what I'm looking at. I'm gonna show you why I'm gonna enter them, and then I'm gonna show you when I exit them, and hopefully you'll learn something. But use your own discretion, and it's your money, not mine, that you're trading. I'm trading my money. I'm putting real money behind these. So I believe they're gonna go up, but different people have different risk tolerances, so it's up to you. And that's it, traders. That's what I want to say for now. I'm gonna come back with the results of my entries and exits. All right, traders. Here is where I'm gonna go in. And you know what? I'm just gonna make another video about this. I made my decisions with the 3 stocks I'm looking at, and I'm gonna make another video about it. But I'm gonna enter these trades, some limit orders, some stop orders, and that's it. Happy trading. Best of luck, and I hope to see you around.